As you can see, I've got all these bits and pieces here. So I'm going to start building this electric heat treat oven. So I guess what I should really do is go to the computer with these few things that I've got and design something around this. But the idea is to weld up two rectangles here and one at the bottom. That these can be straight welded to the outside. What this bit does is sit in here. Then there's going to be the bricks. I've drawn them here. Get that in the middle. Surrounding this is going to be the kail wool. This dotted line is where those fire bricks are going to end, and so it gives me room for my electrical stuff to come down through here and down in the bottom and service all this. And then that bit is going to get screwed on the back, so I will always be able to take that off and replace all the electrical stuff. And that's the door, and you can see here I've got this catch worked out. That hinge, this is actually on the other side, but this hinge here I'm going to make as well. And then that will give me a chamber 385, so that's maximum length I can get a knife in there. That's heaps long enough for me. So one of the reasons why I made this out of timber is so I can mount all my electrics both sides. That will work, but it means I've got wire cable going all the way around, going round the back and back round again. So it's a bit like I'm redesigning this as I go. Never done it before, and you know, as many plans as you try to think up and draw up, things are always going to change. You find more practical ways of doing things when you actually get down to doing it. So I'm going to set about putting a piece of timber in here, then I can turn it up this way. I can mount all my electrics straight in the bottom of here.